Want to turn your written blog posts into highly engaging viral videos in just a few clicks? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zebracat, an AI-powered video growth agent designed to handle everything from video creation to scheduling. Imagine taking your existing articles, pasting the URL, and letting an AI analyze your content to generate a complete short-form video with voiceovers, visuals, and captions. Zebracat aims to replace the traditional, expensive video workflow, which usually involves hiring editors, buying multiple tools, and spending hours on research, and condenses it into one simple platform. According to their website, instead of spending thousands of dollars a month on production, their plans start at $49 a month, and you can even get started for free without putting down a credit card. To turn a blog post into a video, the process is incredibly straightforward. You simply paste your blog URL into the generator. Zebracat's AI analyzes the text, suggests a visual strategy, and automatically drafts a video script, voiceover, and pacing. From there, you stay in complete control. You can easily edit the text, swap out visuals, adjust the voice, and fine-tune the overall style before anything goes live. Once you're happy with the result, Zebracat even lets you schedule and post the video directly to your social channels, meaning you don't have to deal with exporting and uploading files manually. Over time, the tool is designed to track what works and optimize future videos based on your real performance data. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. Zebracat's website highlights over 1,000 five-star reviews from creators and marketers, featuring testimonials like Federico Coppola, a CEO who shares that the tool saves him 3 hours of work per day. However, it is important to note that independent third-party reviews outside of their official website are still quite limited. Because of this, we highly recommend taking advantage of their free trial. Since no credit card is required to sign up, you can easily test the AI video generation yourself, see how well it translates your specific blog posts, and decide if the workflow fits your brand. Head over to zebracat.ai to try it out and let me know in the comments how your first video turns out.